Marami sa atin ay against communism pero hindi naman maipaliwanag kung bakit hindi ito maganda other than may possibility na mamundok ang mga kabataan natin. Here are 3 reasons why communism sucks. Number 1, communism has killed more people in the world than any other ideology. From Stalin's purges to Mao's Great Famine, communism has caused over 100 million deaths. It promises equality, but the only thing that everyone is equally having is suffering. Number 2, it crushes freedom. Communist regimes silence dissent. They control the media and throw people in jail for speaking out. Number 3, it destroys economies. Tignan nyo lang sa Soviet Union, Venezuela, o North Korea. What happens kung pantay-pantay ang classes at sweldo ng lahat? Mukhang promising, di ba? Well, nag-work lang ito kung sobrang konti lang talaga ng mga tamad at sobrang dami ng masisipag. What happens kung napansin ng mga masisipag na, teka, nagbabanat ako ng buto maghapon pero itong si tamad, pareho lang kami ng sinusweldo. Dahil dyan ay nawawalan ng incentive structure ang mga mamamayan in a communist society. Stay tuned for more of the subject.